Is it the right time to make a decision about Fisker stock? Let's find out. In this video, we will delve into Fisker, providing you with a more detailed analysis of our initial report published on our website on Friday, January 5, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any developments that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 2, 2024, our system has identified Fisker as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -6.36. Now let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -18.4%. This means that on average, it lost -4.6% per day since being labeled as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently in a falling trend in the short term, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. We can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if there is a break up at the top trend line at $1.38, it may indicate a slower falling rate and potentially a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -80.71% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -100% and -80.02%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential change of -47.45% over the next year, with a possible return between -47.22% and 91.35%. This means the stock could range from $0.702 to $2.54 after a year. Our latest update on Fisker brings some interesting news. The stock price experienced high volatility on Friday and closed at $1.33. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 5, 2024, the Fisker stock price dropped by 8.9% from $1.46 to $1.33. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 11.92%, ranging from a low of $1.30 to a high of $1.46. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a total decrease of 6.34%. Interestingly, the volume of shares traded increased by 24 million on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. The total number of shares bought and sold amounted to approximately $53.15 million, with a total of 40 million shares exchanged. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $8.67, while the lowest price was $1.30. Currently, the price is 84.65% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $7.34. Furthermore, it is 95.84% lower than the all-time high, which occurred on March 2, 2021, with a price of $31.96. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, Needham gave FSR a hold grade with a hold action. On the same day, Raymond James also reported a grade for FSR, giving it a market perform rating with a hold action. Moving back to February 27, 2023, CFRA gave FSR a sell grade with an upgrade action. Going further back to November 30, 2022, Evercore ISI initiated coverage on FSR and gave it an outperform grade with an initialize action. On November 15, 2022, Morgan Stanley gave FSR an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Fisker stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a sell rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Fisker. We have a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, which is a positive sign. However, there are also some negative signals that could potentially impact the stock's short-term performance. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average being higher than the short-term average. On the upside, there are resistance levels at $1.52 and $1.74. If the stock breaks above any of these levels, it could indicate a buy signal. On the downside, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, December 29, 2023, resulting in a minus 24% decline so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is identified. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices recently, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the stock in light of this development. In this video, we'll discuss some interesting signals for you to consider in your trading strategy. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator is currently giving a buy signal. Pivots are showing a sell signal that occurred 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 81 days ago. The short-term moving average has recently shown a sell signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also reflects a sell signal 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 60 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and analyze the signals it reveals. The short moving average indicates a recent sell signal, occurring 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal that appeared 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 49 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Fisker. It's important to note that there is currently no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock may experience significant declines in the next few days. In terms of trading, Fisker stock typically has average movements throughout the day. With good trading volume, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be medium. Yesterday, the stock fluctuated by $0.155, or 11.92%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 12.26%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Fisker, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price with its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they either have negative earnings or are currently losing money. Established companies can face temporary downturns due to external factors, but consistent negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other important news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 26, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.200. It's crucial to keep a close eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on the stock prices. Today, we're going to analyze the potential day trading levels for Fisker. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Fisker is at $1.49. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below, which means that the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop under certain conditions. It's crucial to exercise caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The average rating for Fisker from multiple analysts is neutral, according to recent data. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 6, 2023, Flores conducted an insider buy of 160,183 shares of Class A common stock. On November 6, 2023, Flores conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On October 6, 2023, Gruel Wendy J. conducted an insider buy of 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. On October 6, 2023, Hickson Mark E. conducted an insider buy of 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. On October 6, 2023, McDermott William R. conducted an insider buy of 2,025 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -9.863. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,722,151 shares and sold 3,667,772 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, our analysis is negative. No stop loss has been set, which means we don't have a predetermined level at which we would sell the stock to limit our potential losses. Is Fisker stock a good buy? Fisker currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a significant downward trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Our evaluation of this stock remains negative. Furthermore, based on some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have downgraded our previous conclusion from a sell to a strong sell candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements in the market, our systems indicate that the current price of Fisker stock is undervalued. When trading resumes on Monday, January 8, we predict that Fisker stock will open up at $0.0317 higher than the previous close, with an initial trading price of $1.36. Trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's important to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By relying on this information, you are taking full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please let us know if you agree or disagree by commenting below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Additionally, we'd like to know your target for this stock. Share it with us in the comments section. If you enjoy our content, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and tools for successful trading. We appreciate your support. Thanks for joining us today. We wish you a wonderful day and profitable trades. From all of us here at Stock Invest, take care and happy investing.